Is Mrs. John with lesson 9. This is the last lesson for year 12 physics on DC electricity, and I'll try and put some more videos up for electromagnetism, which will be your very last topic for electricity. So this lesson is on power and brightness of lamps. Now, what is power? It is the rate at which work is done, or it is also the rate at which energy is spent. So the formula for power is energy over time. Okay, so power is measured as joules per second or watts, and energy and time have got joules and seconds as the unit. But in an electric circuit, it's not possible to measure energy directly, but we can find out what the power is using power is voltage times current. And you can equate both these equations to get voltage times current is the same as energy over time, because they're both equal to power. Now, the brightness of lamps depends on the power output. The brighter lamp will have a greater power output. So I've got some questions over here which I have worked out on power, and you can just take a look at it and see if any of those helps you. So some of them are comparing powers of different lamps or different resistors in a circuit, and how much is the energy supplied by the battery. So if your time is given in hours or minutes or days, you just remember you need to convert those to seconds, because time is measured in seconds. Okay, and here's another one for you. So, and see over here, energy supplied by the battery, you go 10 times 60. And this one was even comparing the brightness of different lamps, which one will glow the most. Lamp A, so they've all got the same resistance, they're all 8-ohm lamps, but lamp A gets the biggest current, so it will also have the biggest voltage across it compared to the other lamps, so it will be the brightest. The current through the branches will be less. So this will have the least current, because current and resistance are inversely proportional, so these will be the dimmest. And here's another one, and then there's another part to this question. So the D, this thing in red, is when you have one more lamp added in parallel, what's going to happen. And so here you go, and then there's some more about the brightness of the lamp. And here's the explanation for that. So make sure you read these questions a few times, because these are all good, excellent answers. Because in your paper you will have descriptive required to describe or explain things, as well as solve problems. So just make sure you get them all right. And there's one more, the last bit over here. Okay, so these you may want to read them once, twice, try and remember what you've read. That's a good way to revise. Bye for now.